Well, I spoke too soon and the rain arrived, so no holes being cut in the roof today. Well, let's see what else I can get on with. So yesterday we started building out the wooden bulkhead frame. Now the plan is that we didn't want the metal bulkhead purely because it's additional metal that's going to get cold. So we're going to have this wooden bulkhead. It's going to be insulated from the cab. We're not going to have any swivel seats. We're just going to have a doorway or an access hatch into the cab. so it allows us to climb through if needed. So we took a line from the front, screwed a piece of wood to the floor. Now this is in line with the seats. So we've got like a 5mm gap that when we're going to put a bit of 5mm ply on the front, and we're going to carpet that. That gives us enough space. We've put in some beams for our hatch. There's going to be a doorway there. It's going to come down a little bit from the roof, obviously, but this is basically going to be the starting point that we're going to work towards the rear, that will give us our final spacings for the shower. So the door I'm building in is going to be 54 centimeters wide, and that gives me enough room to fit my shoulders through. May have to lose a bit of weight. I've just attached these battens together using pocket hole screws. That means providing your wood cut is square, then when it pulls together it's going to be nice and square. Let me double check, got my square here. Well, maybe not. Let's try here. Look at that, like a glove. So continuing with this bulkhead. Okay, so we've managed to put a cross beam in, which is the level of the roof. I'm going to attach a bit of wood to the face of this so we can attach the roof slats to it. Coming down, because of we have to accommodate the seats, forward and rear travel of the driver's seats. So driver's seat's in its rearmost position, I think. So that means that the bulkhead, the wooden bulkhead, if it's straight, we get that. It's about a 10 centimeter gap. So I'm just building like a cubby area into the, as far as it will go back, on the lower part of the seats. So I built a little firewall, a little bulkhead. Now I'm going to attach this to the main bulkhead. Then I'm going to take it all out and cover it from the cab side, and then it should be ready for installation. And there's what it looks like from a little bit further away. Not looking too shabby. Obviously this the rear section, that one needs to be sorted out, but we're mostly interested in what it looks like from the cab side. Yeah, so I need to cover this top part, but on the other side, yeah, got to be happy with that. Yeah, just make a small trim piece for the top. So this is the contraption I built to mount the bulkhead and the roof. Just 3 bits of wood, screwed together, glued together. Couple of brackets to go through the roof, a couple of aluminium ones, and just a couple of holes without the brackets. So I'm going to cover this with carpet now, just the front face, because you'll see this part on the cab side. So a bit of carpet, leave some flappy bits at the end, and then hopefully that should be good enough. I'm going to put some foil tape across this front edge, because this is going to be the cab side, so when it does get hot, hopefully it'll just reduce the heat a little bit. Can't do any harm, doesn't weigh anything. Okay, that'll do us for now. I'm going to trim off this excess. I'm going to leave these elephant's ears, because once that goes to the top of the bulkhead, then that'll just push in and fill up any potential gaps. Okay, so this is that piece that I just covered, mounted in place, so it's bolted to the existing holes that were mounted on the bulkhead. Yeah, basically 3 bits of wood glued and screwed together, and then when the ceiling goes up, basically that's gonna now level with the rest of the ceiling, more or less. Now things are, now that I've added that bit of carpet, it's raised it slightly, so I might just have to put a couple of packers or a thin strip across that piece, but we'll see when we get to that bit. Righty, time for some luncheon. I've been working on getting the bulkhead finished off, so I think a little bit more flexible filler around the edges, but it's not looking too bad. Need to finish off the door to the cab. again, that's not a million miles away from being finished. It's been test fitted. Again, a lot of it's just trim now.